Here at Brown's English Language School, we have our Jobs Club, which is a free service available to all our students. Now, the Brown's Jobs Club can help you achieve your goal of getting a job in Australia, whether that is to make money to cover the cost of living, whether you want a job to gain work and life experience, or maybe just getting a job to experience Australian culture and lifestyle. Whatever the reason, Brown's Jobs Club will provide you with valuable skills and knowledge to help you gain employment in Australia. The Brown's Jobs Club covers many areas. For example, we'll talk about your rights as an employee, as well as your requirements. For example, you might need a tax file number, so we'll help with that. As well as getting a white card if you want to work in the construction industry, or an RSA, Responsible Service of Alcohol qualification, so you can work in the hospitality industry. In the Brown's Jobs Club, we also work on creating an effective resume or CV and cover letter to help you get that job. Another thing we look at is networking, so going out and talking to employers, what to do, what to say. We'll be doing lots of role plays to help you with that. Another area that we cover is job interviews. So the process, we'll give you tips and advice on interviews, and again, we'll do lots of role plays so that you're comfortable when it's time to go for that job interview. We also have a Brown's Job workshop where you'll get practical advice, jobs in the cleaning industry, jobs in hospitality. So for example, we'll show you how to carry a tray of drinks, how to carry 3 plates at once, and how to serve customers. So if you're looking for a job, join Brown's Jobs Club, get the knowledge and skills you need to find a job in Australia.
I received many important information. I learned how to carry a tray, and it's very nice. I brought my resume and the teachers corrected the English. Then I sent to the companies and I got a job, so I'm very happy with that.